Hey guys, and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to download Onlyfans on your mobile device. Now let's begin. Initially, let's open the Play Store on our mobile device. Right here is the Play Store, simply open it. And on the search bar, let's type for Onlyfans. Once everything's okay, let's click on the search button right here. Right here is the Onlyfans application. If I click on it, I'm going to be provided more details about it. Now let's try to install it. Right here is the install button, simply click on it. And the app is being installed. Now as you can see, the app has successfully installed. Now let's click on open. And there you have it. That's how you download Onlyfans on your mobile device. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.